Here's a 90-second script for the video. Hook. Are you a senior IT professional looking to unlock the full potential of Microsoft Azure for your organization? With its robust cloud platform, Azure promises to revolutionize the IT landscape, but only if you know how to harness its power. Key point 1. Strategic context. The trouble is, many of us don't fully understand the intricacies of Azure architecture. But building the right solution on Azure requires a strategic approach, one that takes into account implementation architecture, configuration walkthroughs, and advanced troubleshooting. Key point 2. Microsoft Azure Services. What's more, Azure offers a wide range of cloud services, from virtual machines and databases to AI and machine learning. This versatile environment provides the perfect opportunity for organizations to build innovative solutions, but only if you know how to navigate its complexities. Key point 3. Best practices for enterprise. In order to truly get the most out of Azure, you need to follow best practices for enterprise settings. This includes optimizing your cloud solutions to meet specific business needs, while also ensuring maximum scalability and cost-effectiveness. Call to action. If you are looking to build better solutions on Microsoft Azure, then I invite you to visit neeraj.qzz.io for more information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech education content.